like to discuss my evaluation of the Celestron C90 Magnetop Gasogram. I've taken some pictures with it. I've had it out 2 nights, and it definitely has a place for those who wish to take good pictures with an inexpensive telescope of small, bright objects. I have a few photos here I'd like to show you to evidence what I'm saying. We can start here with M15. It's a typical globular cluster. I took this one night when I was out comparing the C90 to the 90mm Sky Optics refractor. Came out pretty good. The stars are round. There's no coma, no chromatic aberration. This is 10 minutes worth of data, so it picked it up fairly well. Here's M16. I was surprised how well it did on M16. You can see the pillars of creation. Once again, the stars look very nice. Did a good job on this. Here's the Wild Duck Cluster, M11. That's a lot of stars. That's almost a globular cluster. There's so many of them. And it did okay with those. Here's the Omega Nebula. I got a little bit different color with this than I have with my refractors. It usually comes out red. Here it came out a little purple looking. Don't know why, but the nebula shows up clearly. The stars are nice, and there's a little bit of nebulosity from a surrounding nebula, which is over here. This is the Summer Beehive Cluster. These stars here, which form the cluster, are a lot closer than the ones further behind. And they showed up nicely too. And here's Graph's Cluster, another open star cluster, which came out nicely. And finally, here's a shot of the moon. Great detail. This thing does really, really well with its long focal length on the moon. I would like to have taken some photos of some planets. This isn't planet season where I live, and there ain't no planets to take pictures of right now. So we had to go with open star clusters, globular star clusters, and nebula. What I find with this is it takes good pictures, like excellent quality, and there's no maintenance. With my Newtonians, I have to do a lot of maintenance on them, clean the mirror, collimating the mirrors. Even with my SCTs, I have to keep them collimated. This thing right here doesn't require collimation. Takes better photos than acromats or even ED acromats. I don't know. I'd say it's as good as APOs, because APOs will give sharper stars. But in the hands of a beginner, you're not going to notice the difference. So I'm pleased with it, quite pleased. And come planet season, I'll be using my C6 SCT on the planets, but I'm also going to try using this to get some planetary shots. And I'll post them when I get them. And that's all for now. So till I see you again, happy trails.